Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Instagram page isn't available right now. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, search, reels, your account section, and so on. So right now, basically guys, if you have this problem, this might have a lot of reasons. So one of the reasons, maybe the page is deleted or the name of the page has been changed. So make sure that you don't have this problem. If you are sure that the name of the page is correct, then maybe you have a internet problem. So make sure that you are connected to a good internet connection and then go ahead and check if you still have the problem. If you still have this problem, then we're going to try to clear the cache for Instagram. In order to do that, just close Instagram and then go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here. Once you're here, go ahead and scroll a little bit down until you find applications. Once you find applications, go ahead and click on it. And then here you're going to find the list that includes all of your installed apps on this device. So just go ahead and scroll down and search for Instagram. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to be right here in this page. Here you're going to find all of the settings related to Instagram. So go ahead and scroll down until you find storage. Once you find storage, go ahead and click on it. And then right here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to clear your cache. Click on it and then go back to Instagram and then your problem should be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.